Leyard TVF Series Stackable Front Access Fine Pitch LED Video Walls. Available in 1.2, 1.5, 1.8, and 2.5 millimeter pixel pitches, Leyard TVF Series displays feature a 27-inch cabinet and include embedded power and signal connectors, eliminating cabling clutter. This unique design improves vertical cabinet-to-cabinet alignment, making the process of building an LED video wall cleaner and quicker. Similar to building blocks, Leyard TVF Series video walls are assembled by stacking cabinets together. With a single-step process, Leyard TVF Series cabinets connect power and signal down through the column of cabinets. Additionally, the connection points and 2 alignment pins located on each cabinet assist in vertically aligning cabinets together, further reducing installation time needed to build an LED video wall. Leyard TVF Series cabinets feature a slim profile of less than 3 inches, achieving ADA compliance. The displays are front serviceable, which drastically reduces the overall video wall footprint and servicing space needed, compared to typical space requirements of other LED video wall solutions. The Leyard TVF Series features a 16:9 aspect ratio that allows every pixel pitch to achieve popular resolutions, including Full HD, 4K, and can also be scaled to meet the widest range of application requirements. To build the perfect Leyard TVF Series video wall for your environment, use Planar and Leyard's free online video wall calculator. The calculator allows you to create a custom video wall and export detailed specifications and drawings. Visit leyard.com/tvf or planar.com/tvf for more information.